History has been made. It's official. The beginning of a new era of Samsung and Android dominance is upon us. What you're seeing is not footage of a PlayStation console. This is the incredible Snapdragon 8 Elite chip powering the Galaxy S25 Ultra, showcasing performance that is simply mind-blowing. Qualcomm has completely revolutionized its chip design, and the Snapdragon 8 Elite is a testament to that. This new chip offers an astonishing 44% increase in CPU speed, 40% faster GPU performance, and a remarkable 45% boost in neural processing unit, NPU, efficiency compared to the previous generation. This leap forward is not just incremental, it fundamentally changes the game for mobile devices. The Snapdragon 8 Elite is built on Qualcomm's custom Orion CPU cores, which deliver performance levels comparable to what we've traditionally seen in high-end PCs. Qualcomm's shift from the Gen series to the Elite branding signifies a major leap in performance, and the evidence is undeniable. To truly unlock the potential of this hardware, Samsung needs to collaborate with major game studios. Imagine the possibilities if developers can tap into this incredible power, optimizing games specifically for the S25 Ultra. This collaboration could redefine mobile gaming, making it as immersive and visually stunning as its console counterparts. But the innovations don't stop at gaming. The AI capabilities in the Galaxy S25 Ultra are set to change how we interact with our devices. With the Snapdragon 8 Elite, the second-generation Galaxy AI assistant can directly access the phone's camera. This means you can point your camera at a receipt and ask it questions in real time. The new AI features extend beyond just real-time information retrieval. We've already seen capabilities like image erasing in photos, and now with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, this functionality expands to videos. The on-device processing power is capable of handling high-quality image and video editing, providing users with professional-grade tools right in their pockets. The camera system itself has seen significant upgrades as well. The Snapdragon 8 Elite offers a 35% faster AI image signal processor, ISP, enabling it to handle image capture from sensors up to 320 megapixels. This upgrade positions Samsung's 200MP sensor on the Galaxy S25 Ultra to deliver the best performance yet, promising stunning detail and clarity in every shot. Early reports suggest that Samsung is focusing heavily on enhancing video performance, particularly compared to the S24 Ultra. With the powerful ISP inside the Snapdragon 8 Elite, it seems they have all the tools needed to elevate mobile photography and videography to new heights. Samsung is also hard at work on One UI 7.0, which is designed to fully leverage the capabilities of the Snapdragon 8 Elite. The focus is on delivering unparalleled smoothness and performance, and early indicators suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will surpass even the performance benchmarks set by its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. In terms of design, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will debut in 4 standard colors: black, green, blue, and titanium gray. Additionally, we can expect exclusive online colors to broaden the portfolio. Recent leaks show rounded edges, confirming a sleek and modern aesthetic that complements its powerful internals.